Welcome to my channel, Living Your Best Life, and I am Cindy Smaha, and I am so happy today because I am going to cut this mess off. The sides are just driving me crazy. It's way too long, they stick out, and I need a change. So I'm going to reshape my hair. Not for sure how that's going to turn out, but you know what the great thing about hair is it grows back. Yes. Done this so long that, when it's a little too short, it looks good in just a few days. So before we get into the shearing, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment about how you think it all went. So, and your prayers are always appreciated that this turns out right. So let's get going. So if you've seen my videos, you know that I always have my little plastic bag and I tape it to the mirror and to the sink, and that I always make sure that when I cut, my hair goes down in there. Now I've already cut the back. You know how I shear it up, and I'm gonna put it somewhere around in here, that I cut the back up first because the back I keep nice and short and I don't color, and so I'll post that there. But I'm going to try it a little differently today, so hold on. So I really like the top. Sorry, I've got it a little low here. So I really like the length of the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my natural part over here, and I think it's about like right here. Okay, so that's one section. All right, so now I'm going to put a little divider here, and I'm going to find my other part over on this side. A little bit over more, I think. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Want to make sure that it is the same. Pretty much. Okay, so I found my parts that I want. So the plan is that I cut this section pretty short. I don't want to go with a undercut pixie because my hair is just not long enough for me to make that look good. And but I do want it pretty short on the sides. So the plan is to chop all that off and then blend it into the top and somehow blend it in the back. Like I said, just I'm going on instinct here and prayer, so here we go. Okay, I like the sides, how long they are. And now what I'm going to do is see if I even want to take off much. Because now I can just part my hair in the center and then go from there and see if how I want to blend in the top to that. So I'm thinking it looks pretty nice to me because I did not want to really do a lot. So the angle looks good to me. If you can see that, that's the angle that I wanted. See how it's going a little bit more at an exaggerated angle. So let's look over here. Yeah. Yep. Yep. So what then, I think what I'm going to do, and it feels pretty good in the back, I think. Let me take a peek here. I think. Yeah. So what I want to do to get some of those dead ends off and also be able to sort of feather it in, I'm going to use my feathering tool. I love these shears because they really do make your hair, when I say blend together well, and if you've made an error, it sort of softens it up a little bit. So it sort of covers all the problems. So let me get that tool. If you're new to my channel, you know I use my hair cutting scissors and then my shears. And I'll be sure to put those in my in the link in the description box. I love these shears because, again, it really does soften the look of my hair and then helps everything blend in. So I'll take care of the top first and then blend it into the sides. So here we go. I'm so excited. It's looking good. All right, I think I am done. And look at that, how nice and long it is on the top, short on the sides. I like it. I still might, I don't know, those look a little long, but I'll leave them for now. Yeah, so Let me wash my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, here is the finished look, and look at that. I am so excited. I'm so happy with it. The sides look great. I've got them cut out over the ears, and it just looks so nice. Look at the back. It is so nice and full on top. That's what I wanted, and have it more tapered at the back. And I'm just so excited. And this is just putting product in, scrunching it up, and off I go. This is the easiest, so be on the lookout for some future hairstyling videos that I'll be doing. So I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed making it for you, and I hope you just have a wonderful week. I'm sending you lots of hugs and love, so I'll see you next week, Monday at 4. Have a great week. Bye-bye.